हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एसएससी में पूछे गए साइंस के टॉप 35 इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which cell organelle is found in plant cells only? And the answer is plastids. Second question. In the atmosphere, ultraviolet rays are observed by? And the answer is ozone. Third question. Which one of the following polymeric materials is used for making bulletproof jackets? And the answer is Kevlar. Fourth question. Which of the following is to be found in nail polish remover? And the answer is acetone. Fifth question. Which one of the following gas is used in the cigarette lighter? And the answer is butane. Sixth question. Which of the following diseases is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? And the answer is night blindness. Seventh question. Which among the following diseases is very rare in women as compared to its occurrence in men? And the answer is color blindness. Eighth question. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries? And the answer is oxygen. Ninth question. Which of the following is a form of calcium carbonate? And the answer is limestone. 10th question. What is the other name for conventional source of energy? And the answer is non-renewable source of energy. 11th question. Which of the following pollutants is the major contributor to the photochemical smoke? And the answer is nitrogen dioxide. 12th question. Which of the following determines the loudness or softness of the sound? And the answer is amplitude. 13th question. Which device uses ultrasonic waves for getting images of internal organs of human body? And the answer is ultrasound scanner. 14th question. With reference to the mass of which atom is the molecular weight of elements measured? And the answer is carbon. 15th question. Fish oil is beneficial for which disease? And the answer is for heart disease. 16th question. What is the hybrid of animal born from horse and donkey? And the answer is mule. 17th question. The average weight of the human brain is approximately? And the answer is 1.36 kg. 18th question. Which of the following parts of the blood acts to protect the body? And the answer is white blood cells. 19th question. I split sunlight into 7 colors. And the answer is prism. 20th question. Which one among the following components is used as an amplifying device? And the answer is transformer. 21st question. Charcoal is used in water treatment as an? And the answer is adsorbent. 22nd question. Bone is used as a fertilizer because it contains the plant nutrient? And the answer is phosphorus. 23rd question. Which one of the following is non-poisonous snake? And the answer is python. 24th question. Bile is produced by which of the following gland? And the answer is liver. 25th question. Which one of the following is a vitamin? And the answer is folic acid. 26th question. A car undergoes a uniform circular motion. The acceleration of the car is? And the answer is a non-zero but not a constant. 27th question. In some enzymes, non-protein substances are required for its functioning, which we know by which of the following names? And the answer is coenzyme. 28th question. Which of the following pairs of animals has hemoglobin in blood? And the answer is man and earthworm. 29th question. Which of the following causes malaria? And the answer is protozoa. 30th question. Pottometer is used in measuring? And the answer is air velocity. 31st question. Which of these waves is electromagnetic waves? And the answer is none of the above. 32nd question. Hygrometer is used for measurement of which of these? And the answer is relative humidity. 33rd question. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of iron? And the answer is anemia. 34th question. Bacterial diseases are found in? And the answer is all of the above, that is plants, humans and animals. And the last 35th question. Which of the following is biodegradable? And the answer is paper. तो ये थे साइंस के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंजाइम्स ब्रेक्स डाउन प्रोटीन इनटू एमिनो एसिड्स। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।